Trying to get out? Oh my. There you go. Oh dear. You are silly.
Sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah.
I can't. He's not gonna jump to me.
I'm sorry, baby. But I've got to give your little bottom a good wash. I know. I know. Ow! Oh!
Rusty.
Are you ready? Come here. Come here.
Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh. Okay, look, hilarious. Look at this cat.
Chill. Please chill.
Oh, they hurt. Here they come. You better hurry up. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Gosh, they're leaving holes in my body.
Scruffy and Chloe out on a swing. Scruffy? Scruff. Scruff.
As you can see, this is baby, not baby, but cat with mama. He climbed up here. He did not want me. He's just been wanting me to hold him all morning long. And it's like he knows something's wrong, that mama's going somewhere. He won't get down. He's right here. He won't get down. He's up here just loving on me, and he was just purring and just loving on me a while ago. Bless his little heart. But I'm coming to see you anyway. Ow!